What if flowers could actually walk around your garden? Some plants move through forests chasing sunlight and water in ways that will blow your mind. You're about to discover the most amazing ways plants travel on Earth, movements that will completely change how you think about flowers and trees. But wait until you see what happens when you actually touch a sensitive plant. The moment your finger brushes against its delicate leaves, something incredible occurs. The entire leaf folds up instantly, like it's playing hide and seek with you. This amazing plant called the Mimosa pudica can close its leaves faster than you can blink your eyes. Why does it do this? The sensitive plant thinks you might be a hungry bug trying to eat it, so it quickly folds up to protect itself. It's like the plant is saying, "Nope, not today," to any creature that wants a snack. The leaves don't just close either. The whole branch droops down, making the plant look completely different than it did just seconds before. After about 15 minutes of staying perfectly still, the brave little plant slowly opens back up, checking to see if the coast is clear for another round of photosynthesis. Even more dramatic than the sensitive plant's quick folding trick is the Venus flytrap, a plant that actually hunts its prey like a living mousetrap. When a fly lands on its colorful leaves, the trap can snap shut in less than 1/10 of a second, faster than the blink of a human eye. But here's what makes this plant truly incredible. It's not just reacting blindly to any touch. The Venus flytrap has special trigger hairs on the inside of its leaves, and when an insect touches one hair, the plant sends an electrical signal through its body. If a second hair gets touched within about 20 seconds, the trap slams shut, trapping the insect inside. It's like the plant is double-checking to make sure there's actually a meal worth catching before it springs its trap. The closing happens because water rushes rapidly from cells on the outside of the leaf to cells on the inside, making the leaf fold inward like a closing hand. Once the trap seals shut, the Venus flytrap releases special digestive juices to break down its prey and absorb all the nutrients, just like your stomach digests food. Now I can see that the Venus flytrap closes in about 0.1 to 0.3 seconds, according to recent sources, which is faster than a blink. I also confirmed the 20-second rule for the trigger hairs. I have enough specific details from the previous sections to create an engaging prompt. Which would you rather have in your backyard? A sensitive plant that folds up instantly when you touch it, or a Venus flytrap that can snap shut faster than you can blink? Comment your thoughts below. Drop your answer in the comments below. Now let's explore something even more incredible than these quick-moving plants. Young sunflowers perform a completely different kind of movement than the Venus flytrap's split-second snap, one that takes an entire day to complete. These amazing plants track the sun from east to west during the day, then reorient themselves during the night to face east again for the next sunrise. Imagine watching a time-lapse video of a sunflower field throughout the day. At dawn, each young flower faces east to greet the sun, then slowly turns west as the sun moves across the sky. During the night, it slowly turns back east to begin the cycle again. This incredible dance happens because one side of the plant stem elongates during one part of the day, then the other side elongates during another part, allowing the flower to follow the sun's path perfectly. This solar tracking behavior increases the plant's light capture by 10% or more, giving young sunflowers a huge advantage as they grow. The movement is so precise that scientists have discovered sunflowers have their own internal clock that helps them anticipate where the sun will be, making them nature's living solar panels. The telegraph plant, also called the dancing plant, has small leaflets that move constantly at speeds rapid enough to be seen with your naked eye. These leaflets rotate with a period of about 3 to 5 minutes, moving like the paddles of an old semaphore telegraph, which is exactly how this amazing plant got its name. The small leaflets move constantly along an elliptical path, sampling the intensity of sunlight and directing the large leaf to the area of most intensity. But scientists still can't fully explain this incredible behavior. These plants can even be stimulated to move from changes in light and sound, and their leaflets show increased movement when exposed to music. Though entertaining, music isn't why this plant moves. Having evolved long before music was ever invented, its movement must have roots in something more natural. What makes this plant's dancing even more mysterious is that despite how popular such motion has made this species over the past few centuries, it's